Specimen-B, fresh egg of a domestic fowl.
Question 1. Describe the external features of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl and explain their significance in the reproductive process. Answer: the fresh egg of a domestic fowl typically has a smooth, oval-shaped shell with a pointed end. The shell provides protection to the developing embryo and helps prevent desiccation and microbial contamination. The egg also has two distinct regions: the yolk, which contains nutrients for the developing embryo, and the albumin egg white, which cushions the embryo and provides additional nutrients and water. Question 2. Discuss the role of the shell membrane in maintaining the integrity of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl. Answer: the shell membrane, located beneath the outer shell of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl, acts as a barrier against the entry of microorganisms and helps maintain the structural integrity of the egg. It also allows for the exchange of gases, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, which are essential for embryonic development. Question 3. Explain the significance of the air cell in a fresh egg of a domestic fowl. Answer: the air cell, located at the blunt end of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl, forms as the egg ages and loses moisture through the shell. It serves as a reservoir of air for the developing embryo, allowing it to breathe as it grows. The size of the air cell can also indicate the freshness of the egg, with larger air cells typically found in older eggs. Question 4. Compare the internal structure of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl with that of other avian species. Answer: while the internal structure of fresh eggs may vary slightly among avian species, they generally consist of a yolk surrounded by albumin, egg white, and enclosed within a shell. The size and composition of these components may differ between species, reflecting adaptations to their specific reproductive strategies and environmental conditions. Question 5. Investigate the nutritional composition of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl and its importance for embryonic development. Answer: a fresh egg of a domestic fowl is rich in proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which provide essential nutrients for the developing embryo. The yolk contains fats, proteins, and vitamins, while the albumin egg white is primarily composed of water and proteins. These nutrients support embryonic growth and development until the chick hatches. Question 6. Discuss the role of hormones in the formation and laying of a fresh egg of a domestic fowl. Answer: hormones, such as estrogen and progesterone, play key roles in regulating the reproductive cycle of domestic fowl, including the formation and laying of eggs. Estrogen stimulates the development of ovarian follicles and the production of yolk, while progesterone helps prepare the reproductive tract for egg laying. These hormonal changes occur in response to environmental cues and physiological signals.